Hello, I'm Ana Altieri Hernandez. I'm a student in Fernando Esteves School, learning web design. I work with building websites, but most of my personal preference lies in drawing, illustrations, character design, and a bit of animation. And I started this project of building a website for my father's restaurant. So what better way than to explain my progress in a small video? Let's get started. We begin laying a basis on what our objectives for the website are. What is the website for? What kind of people are the clientele? Think about the business you're building a website to. What kind of vibe does it portray? You continue with this line of questions to have the objectives. After laying the objectives, you need to inform yourself for the website to be functional. You research different websites that can share the same objectives and part of the competition of the business, because this way you can make your website different from the competition and inspire yourself on features. Next to laying these ground rules, you can start making concept. You start by making a sitemap. This is a form of blueprint to build the connections of the pages to the website. What site is connected to what will lead to what page, etc. Then you begin to sketch the function of the site by making a wireframe. It's part of deciding how it looks, but most of it is about where the functions are supposed to go. Later, you refine the details in a mockup, where you define colors and how it would look in the end. Here's my example. As you can see, I use blue and orange tones, and I really like it. Look at that, very professional. Thanks to the previous points, this looks more or less refined, depending on how much you've researched. After you finish all this, you can actually start programming your page. The programming process is quite complicated, but I'll give you some basic tips. When you research the building of your website, you should also search about plugins and themes and what may suit better for you. Don't erase the idea of putting plugins, because they are rather essential part of making the programming and personalization much easier. Finally, after finishing the programming, you publish it and you've done it. And that is all. This is my entire progress of building a website from scratch. Hope this was useful. I honestly did not know half of these things, but thanks to the school, I am learning slowly about all of these kind of things. So yeah, this is a goodbye. See ya!